I say hello, how do you do? How do you do the things that you do? No one I know could ever keep up with you. How do you do? Did it ever make sense to you? I still feel your touch in my dream. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive. 'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. And I guess I liked that. And when I fell hard, you took a step back without me, without me, without me. And he's long gone when he's next to me. And I realize the blame is on me. You took a piece of my heart. I never thought that this could fall apart. You said you fell in love, and this was more than I had ever been afraid of. Another life, another happy ending. It cuts like a knife. Another place, another time, another hand to touch, another sun to shine. You got me deeper than deep, and I'm constantly blinded. I'm running around, but there's no place to hide. I start to talk in my sleep. Our souls are divided. Why can't they forgive me? These demons inside. Deeper than deep, and I'm constantly blinded. My heart starts to shiver, for it was not enough. I start to talk in my sleep, 'cause our souls are divided. How can it be that you're ready for love? Ready for love.